Hello, this is Philip, and today we're going to be showing you how to make an enchanted table, an anvil, and a clock, and a compass. So, to make a watch is 4 gold there, and then redstone in the middle, and there's your watch. Watchy! Watchy. Then, how to build a compass is the same, just with iron. Then iron there and redstone in the middle again. And there's your compass. To make a anvil is 2 there and 2 there and 3 iron blocks there, and there's your anvil. Then to make an enchanted table, the last thing is there, obsidian, there, and book, there, and there's your enchanted table. And there's all your stuff that you wanted to see. I hope you will all enjoy the video, and we will see you at the next video. Bye!